I've been putting it off long enough. It's time to get some shelves installed here in the shed. And I have chose the FlexiMount system because it looked really easy to install. And so all I have to use are the screws here and the washers. These here anchors are for if you were installing into a concrete structure, which I'm not, thank goodness. This nice little template with leveler is included. I've never used something like this, but I was pretty confident that everything was pretty even. But I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous about drilling holes in my new shed. As I continued to drill, I got more comfortable with the process and it actually became fun. The instruction booklet recommends that you use a wrench to get these screws in, but I don't think that'll be enough. Definitely have a ratchet handy. The assembly for the first shelf is done, so I wanted to see how this shelf fits on the brackets. Okay, shelf number 1 is done and it's looking pretty good. I went ahead and completed the second shelf, and here we are at the finished product. Each shelf can hold up to 150 pounds.